Shruti and welcome to my channel A Little Life by Shruti. So I'll give a small intro about me. I'm a software developer, basically a corporate girly who is trying to start reading again. And I believe that 2026 is going to be my year. So I'm planning to read as much books as possible. So far I haven't read too many books. The purpose of this channel is to not just make book videos. I'm planning to add some vlogs. I have a cat, you might see her in a while, and mostly books because I'm trying to start reading again. And as you can see, this is my whole TBR right now. These many books I'm yet to read, and I have made a New Year resolution that I'm going to keep my TBR below 5. So I'm only allowed to buy new books only when my TBR is below 5. Basically, this year did not help me a lot. I ended up buying a lot. Starting with Normal People by Sally Rooney. This is my current read. As a beginner reader, I was quite confused with this book. Like, why is it written in such a way? If you try to see, there's no annotations or anything in the book. So I was a little bit confused. Like, why is this written like this? Did I order some weird copy or something? So I did my research. So apparently the author says that they want to keep it supernatural without using any fancy decorations or words. Basically they want to connect with the reader in some another level. I'm liking it so far, but I have a feeling that it's not going to end well. I have read a few reviews, but everyone is saying that this is going to leave me heartbroken almost by the end of it. So let's see. I hope I don't go into a reading slump after reading this, but we'll see. Coming to next, Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. This book I bought a long time ago and I couldn't start it because I recently started reading like 3 months ago. And I was not in a right state. 3 months I have been reading a lot, but this book is not in my recent TBR right now. But let's see. Coming to Wuthering Heights. This also I started a long time ago, but this is a proper classic with a little bit fancy words, which I'm planning to learn in near future. I'm planning to read this, but for now I'm going to keep this classic aside. Next is Colin Hoover, Reminder of Him. After reading Verity, I went crazy. Oh my god, that's really a good book. Recently, I found out that they have made a movie out of this book, Reminders of Him. So let's see if I read this or not, but I'm planning to. Then coming to The Brothers Karamazov by Fyodor Dostoevsky. This I started reading, but it was little difficult for me to read. Since Dostoevsky is not like some other writers, it's not an easy to read book. He's a Russian writer. His books are translated to English. So I got to know that we need to start small in order to understand where Dostoevsky is coming from. And I was suggested that I need to read White Nights before reading the other books. So I'm planning to read that first. Coming to the 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. This book is it's a warm read. Again, I have started reading it, but I couldn't complete it. Although this is a very warm read, it's a very something you would prefer reading over the weekend if you have too much work or if you're stressed. It's a good casual read, I can say. And currently I'm into thrillers and fantasy romances and all. So I have kept this aside for some time. When I'm going to feel low, I'll read this then. The next we have A Little Life. This book I got to know that it's going to leave me painfully heartbroken. So this year I have planned that I'm going to do that to myself. I'm going to read this book and be heartbroken. So coming on to our next book, we have Enchantra. This is the second book in the series of Phantasma. This is by Kelly Smith. So I've already read Phantasma and I liked it a lot. It's a dark fantasy romance, and Enchantra is about basically the sister of the main protagonist of Phantasma. So I'm planning to read this as well. I'm very excited for this. Then we have this, The Housemaid is Watching by Frida McFadden. And guys, I fell in love with the Housemaid series as soon as I read The Housemaid. So I started reading Housemaid in my iPad and I fell in love with it. So then I already completed The Housemaid's Secret, and I can say it was not as good as the first one, but I liked it. Like if I rate the first one as 5 out of 5, I'm definitely going to rate this somewhere around 4 out of 5. This I'm still reading, so let's see how it's going to turn out. And let's see. I actually can't believe the characters drawn by McFadden. She always keeps you on toes, like what's going to happen next. Like until the last 3 pages, you're probably not going to know what's going to happen next. This is my next. So this is one of the books that I recently bought. It's called The Beach Read by Emily Henry. So Bookstagram basically suggested me this book. It looks very pretty, and yeah, this also I'm yet to read. We have then Little Woman. This is also a classic book by Louisa May Alcott, and I've heard a lot about this book, so I'm really excited about reading this as well. This is The Hunger Games Catching Fire. This is basically the second book of the whole series, and I don't have the other books of the series. The reason behind is that I went to a fair kind of thing here near to my place. So they were selling old thrifted books there, and I found this and I was like, it's a steal deal. I literally bought it for $100. So let's see. I'm really excited. Coming on to the next 3. These are some 3 small reads. One is the Before the Coffee Gets Cold. Second is Gacha Gochar. And the third one is I Want to Die But I Want to Eat Tteokbokki. This is by Baek Seher. This is a Korean book. This is an Indian book by an Indian writer. He mostly writes books in Kannada, and this is translated by Srinath Perur. So let's see. And then we have one Japanese book called The Before Coffee Gets Cold. I'm very excited to read this. So the setup is like the person can do time travel, but the only thing is that they have to come back before their coffee gets cold. It sounds very whimsical and very fun. I'm really excited to read this. Coming on to our next series. I have King of Pride, I have King of Greed, and then I have King of Sloth. So I have read already the first book. Here it is, The King of Wrath. This series is by Anna Wang, and so after reading the first one, I was like, I need to get the whole series. Like I instantly fell in love with the characters and the writer especially. Like it's a love story. It's a hate to love kind of a love story, and I loved it. I just loved it. Like I have no other words than this. So yeah, this was the whole wrap of my video, and these are all the books that I recently bought and I'm planning to read soon. So here guys, I have a cat. Her name is Piku, and she is going to feature a lot in my videos. And don't worry, I'm going to pay her with a lot of treats. Say hi. I always want to find something to escape from my corporate life, and reading helps me achieve that. So I'm planning to read a lot this year, so let's see how it goes. And welcome to my channel, and this was my first video in YouTube, so please like it if you like it,